What's going on, y'all? Welcome to your Soca dance tutorial. I hope y'all are ready. Make sure you grab your rag. Doesn't matter what country you're repping. Get that rag out and let's represent where you're from, okay? We're gonna have a really good time. One of my favorite songs. If you haven't seen the dance yet, go check it out on my page before learning, or you can just learn it and do it at the end, okay? Here we go. From the top, I'm gonna jump out with my legs like this. Out. Then I'm gonna bring my left knee up and bring my hands to meet it. Boom. Other side, out, up. So the flow of that motion goes like this. Boom, ta, 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 ta. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, we said 1, 2, 3, 4. Then from here, I'm gonna jump forward on the right leg and I'm gonna wave my hands. So I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's connect that one more time. 5, 6, 7, we said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, and you want big energy for this. This is power soca, so you gotta, okay? So from here, my hands are crossed. I'm gonna open up into a wind. I'm gonna jump, 1, 2, winding to the right or the left, either one. You should be able to go both ways. I go 1, 2, 3, 4, crossing the arms, okay? Let's do that from the top. 5, 6, 7, we said 1, 2, 3, 4, wave, 6, 7, 8, wind, 2, 3, 4. From here, I'm gonna back up, bring my right hand up with the right leg. I'm gonna go back, back. And that's very loose. 5, 6, 7. From here, we set back, back. Good. From here, I'm gonna take my steps to go forward and I'm gonna do like a prayer hand. So I'm gonna step forward with this groove here, open up. You see how my body opens up here so you can see from the side? Boom. I'm gonna step forward, open up, out, up, out. One more time with that groove so you can really feel it. So we said back, back, I go forward, boom, ha, boom, ha. Good. Now from here, I'm gonna take my left hand. It's gonna use this right leg to pop me back, step, and from here, right, left, right, left. Good. Let's do everything from the top, very slow up to there. 5, 6, 7, we said jump like I never jump, wave like I never wave, whine like I never whine before, just I'm sorry, and I need you back in my life, look at people on the, yes, okay? So, do that a couple times until you feel comfortable with it, but we're gonna do it one more time, just a little bit faster now, okay? Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, we said boom, ta, 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 boom, ga, 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 boom, ga, 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 boom, ta, hey, boom, and groove. Back it up, run it up, 6, 7, and. Nice, okay? That's the first half of the dance. Now, the second half of the dance, we're gonna hop out onto our right leg and act like we're holding the steering wheel of a truck, okay? So it says, 1, 2, 3, 4. I jump, boom, switch, cross, and up. What did I just do? One more time. I said right leg's in the air. I'm gonna go truck, hop, cross, and throw. Ha, okay? So from here, when you feel that energy of going back, you kind of want to keep that bounce. So it says, ba, ba, ta, 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 boom, boom. So my feet kind of have this motion here where it's like keeping the rhythm in my lower half as my upper body has this dexterity here. Okay? One more time. So we're going to go from the back. We're going to go. Need you back in my life. Look at people on the truck. Emotions running high. From here, you're going to take your rag, hands up in the sky. You're going to jump, wave, wave, throw. Tiki, tiki, boom. That's the rhythm there. Tiki, tiki, boom. Okay? Let's go from here. So we're going to go from, and I need you back in my life. Look at people on the truck. Emotions running high. Hand up in the sky. From here, You're gonna bring your hands down. This is gonna represent your tears, the emotional tears of carnival, okay? This leg is gonna step forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? So I'm gonna go, boom, ba, 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 step. Now this last step here, I point forward, and I kind of go forward, a little lean, to go back down. Hit my chest, ha. One more time, hit my chest, ha. Then from here, I go forward and grab, pop, pop, and then we shake it like crazy here. Ga, 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 boom. And you just while out at the end, okay? So that's gonna bring you to the end of the dance. Let's try that one more time from backing up. So we said 5, 6, 7, slow. Need you back in my life. Look at people on the truck. Emotions running high. We hung up in the sky. Tears running down we eye just to show you I'm sorry. Sorry. And I need you back in my ka 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 ka. Boom. All right? So my mouth cannot keep up with the way and how fast that beat is at the end, but that's the feeling at the end there, okay? Let's bring it all together from the top. So we said nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, back it up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Move. Slow. Move. Back it up. Hoo, hoo, run. 6, 7, and truck. Motions running high. Hoo, hoo, ha. Ti, tiki, tiki, ti. Hoom. Ba. Ba. Shoot, shoot. Go, 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 go. Boom. Nice, okay? So we're gonna do that one more time, straight through, and then we'll try with the music. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, ta, 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 ta. Boom, ta, 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 ta. Boom, ta, 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 ta. Boom, ka, 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 ka. Hoom, hoom. Back, back. Second half we said. Now, boom, boom, boom. Ha, 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 ha. Boom, doom, doom. Boom, boom. Ha. All right, that's it. So now it's time for you to do with the music. All you gotta do is click this video right here and try it out. I can't wait to see your videos. And if you wanna learn more dance tutorials, just click right over here. All right, peace.